Okay, it's time for another Blooket game to show you some tips. This time we're going to use Gold Quest. Let me pause that as I get the game set up. Okay, here we are. We're ready to get started. But I'm going to show you from a student perspective. Okay, so here we go. This one is not as exciting. You just randomly pick a chest. Okay, so it does get exciting because there are some exciting like ways to sabotage, like you can steal, you can double. Okay, but again, it is not triple nothing is still nothing. So that was not that exciting of a time to get that. Okay, and I'm not playing with anyone, so that was not as exciting. Okay, so this one does not involve a lot of strategy because again, it is completely random. It's just based on whatever you pick for your chest. So if you pick something awesome, awesome. If you don't pick something awesome, unfortunately, that works to your disadvantage. Okay, so oh, that was a better time to get that. Okay, and again, it could be a positive, it could be a negative, and I have no choice. Once I've clicked on it, that's what I'm stuck with. Okay, so the tips for this one are short, aside from you just try to move quickly through it because you can earn back the gold that you do lose relatively quickly. All right, so again, no real strategy here. Gold chest, it is fun, especially when you start swapping and you can steal from those people that you're playing with. Okay, but no real strategy. This one involves speed. How quickly can you answer those questions? And luck, which chest you happen to pick.